XTT is one of our family vans. It's really designed around the family because you've got your dual fold front and rear. So 2 separate sleeping areas.
Oh, I really like this.
Jump in here with the kids and the family and just chill.
Yeah, it's the coolest camper trailer I've seen. This one suits my family to a T. It's similar to a forward fold camper trailer, but this is like forward fold and back fold, and then you've got this lounge, like it's a full leather lounge that you can sit around with a table. And still have 2 beds, a double and a queen. No, I do like this. Look, there's bed at each end.
Yep. And that one there, pop that little flap open, chuck your little handle in there, that winds down, pull your cushions in to make a whole other bed area here.
There's another bed here.
You can sleep 6 people in, no problem at all. Easy. Yeah, one of the other great things about this with setting up is most camper trailers, when you're setting up for the inside, you've got to go to your pole holder and grab your poles out and come in and put your spreaders and stuff in. Nothing in here. All the bar work that's in here stays in here and folds up with the camper. So as you fold it out, all you got to do is push the bars out that are inside it, done. The end of the bows, you notice the bows in the corners, there's little gussets in all the corners of the bows as well for extra strength. So in by big high winds and that, you don't get all that movement in them. Those gussets just give you so much more strength.
Everything's got a fly screen on it, of course.
It's all midi-screen mesh. You can zip them open as well if you want to. Internal flaps as well as external, so if it gets cool during the night, you can just zip these up, you don't have to go outside to do it.
So it's almost like double insulation, isn't it?
Yeah, correct, it is.
Oh, that's pretty cool. The thing you'll notice, and I think everyone sort of goes for this part of the camper, is the kitchen.
Slide out shelves there.
Yes.
Plenty of room here just to put your stuff on when you're
I like this, Billy. Yeah. I like this. It's pretty cool.
Even with the lid of the stove up here, you can access stuff there, you can access stuff there.
It's a full stainless steel kitchen. It's got little extra fold-out benches, sink, gas cooktop, and it's even got storage boxes that come out of the other compartments, and they're stainless steel as well.
Another nice big storage drawer just there for all your bits and pieces. Little secret squirrel hiding spot there.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's all soft close as well. So when you close them up. So being a family camper trailer, you want to be able to take enough food and stuff away from the family. So there, a decent size.
Good size fridge compartment. So in this camper trailer as well, it's got the new Red Arc Red Vision system. I'll tell you what a cool piece of gear. So it's got a display and you can operate everything from that display, or you can operate everything from the app.
So you come back to camp at night time, everything's dark. Rather than tripping around here in the dark trying to find lights on, from the seat of your car, turn the lights on in the camper, walk in.
Boom.
Done. If you're going to stay with your family, so you've pulled up holidays for a week or 2 weeks or things like that, it's got a great annex outside there. It's got a PVC bucket floor, so it keeps all the grass and the dirt and the mud outside if it's raining. Full set of walls, midi-screen mesh in there as well. Your canvas flaps that you can actually pole out as well. So it keeps the breeze coming through, but it keeps the sun out. And on top of your main tent, you'll find a tropical roof. So the tropical roof that sits up and over there stays on there, you don't have to take it on or off, and just keeps the heat off the main part of the tent. So you find generally it's about 5 or 6 degrees cooler actually inside the tent.
What's going on around the back here?
Oh, wait, this is the good part. Second fridge slide. Especially with the family, sometimes one fridge isn't enough.
One fridge is never enough. We need a beer fridge.
Definitely, definitely.
What's this? Obviously the shower, right?
Yep. Big external shower. Hot and cold water. Full gas hot water system.
All plumbed on the side of the vehicle, on the side of the camper there.
Yep. I mean, one of the easiest shower tents to set up too. You've got 3 clips there, 3 poles here. That's it, done. Literally takes you minutes.
It's not bad at all. The other thing I noticed, so 240, so 15 amp, just like the Caravan, mate.
Yep. That'll run the 240 volt points in here. It'll charge your batteries, run your battery charger.
Yep.
And do everything.
Well, let's have a look at this suspension, mate.
Underneath these things, typical independent trailing arm suspension, so coil springs, dual shock absorbers, but we run the best of everything in them. So you've got Timken bearings in there. They're a parallel bearing as well, so the same size inner and out, a great big bearing.
Wow, holy crap, look at the size of that axle.
Yep.
That's massive.
Yep.
So that's, parallel.
Yep, same as Caravan. This thing will handle everything you can throw at it. It is meant to go off-road. It is meant to go out of the way, all to those rugged places. Nothing one of these things won't do.
I have to tell you, I'm impressed. And what I'm impressed about is how strong and how well built the gear is. And it seems to have every little bits and piece that you need. So the XTT being basically, I think, the pinnacle of the camper trailer fleet for MDC, and it is perfect for a 4-person family.